Hi, welcome to today's episode. The word of the day is exhausted, which, funnily enough, is also my kind of day because we had to move the boat today and we did about 4 hours of driving and a lock, and then we had to kind of moor up and get water and do all sorts of things and cook dinner. So I'm pretty exhausted, but I did manage to finish this painting, so I was actually really proud of that. Thank you so much to a lady called Amanda on Facebook for suggesting the exhausted squirrel. I really thought that it was a great image of a mother squirrel, and so I wanted to paint that for today's challenge. If you are enjoying the challenges, please give them a like and share them. I'm definitely enjoying doing them. Super proud that I have made it to day 7, and I have some ideas for tomorrow as well, so I'm feeling very motivated. Thank you so much for your support and for watching.